Gemini, Jesus Christ. Good morning. This is your channel messages for the 31st of October. Hello, I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Jesus Christ, Gemini. Why? CRA paid millions in fake refunds to hackers to delegate access to a loophole. Oh, Canada, the land of the maple leaf, in the land of the Putin, in the land of the native people. CRA, this is what I'm talking about. This is the fucker I like to see. Great. I don't know. CRA from blood clot last year, them have go to the blood clot. I'm glad that the white hackers, because you know everybody know Canada have the best hackers. You know that, right? We can talk about Silicon Valley, all your blood clot one. Canada have one of the best hackers, the best hackers. Canada. I don't know if it's because they're diverse. I don't know what the fuck it is, but Canada hackers, you don't fuck with them. You hear? Great. So CRA just decided to get a loophole so them can scam the scammer them there. Scammer them there. The CRA turn into the scammers themselves, and I hope that they catch a lot of the fucking fraud that has been happening. CRA are from last year, them are about to plots. I have witnessed people robbing out Ontario Works. I have witnessed people robbing out CRA. I witness all of this shit. Hacking into fucking CRA accounts, getting people's fucking tax documents returned because them need to rent fucking place with government, and because when you're in homeless shelters, if you don't have an ID, they will be like, okay, it's alright. You don't really have to have documents. Cause anybody, and from you're in Toronto, you are authorized to get an ID. That is a right of every single Torontorian who lives here. Okay, great. From last year, I see them have go to the blood clots. Last year, they were hacking out my blood clot CRA last year. Take my tax documents and make the people make the government take it and subsidize them blood clot housing and move out on my tax documents. So CRA, I'm glad. It looks like the Central Intelligence has stepped in. Because I know this is not liberals. Is this the liberals? Is this the liberals? Was this the liberals' plan? Was this? Yes? Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Gemini, so I don't know if there's something about fraud or scamming happening, especially when it comes down to sex, because we're doing your Aphrodite tarot spread. Temple of Aphrodite spread. Gemini. So I don't know who for CRA your thief or who you Aphroditeized, why you could get access to their bank accounts and banking information. Nevertheless, Gemini, we are going to go into your reading. Why I can't pull up the reading? Why I can't pull up? Is the fuck is this shit? Okay, here we go. What do you think, Gemini? What's your thoughts? Tu penses? Quoi? We got the king. No, we have the Queen of Wands. I'm getting an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius woman. That's who you're thinking about. Or I'm getting that's you, Gemini. You might be fire, ear. So I'm getting this is your girlfriend, or I'm getting this is you, Gemini. What is your partner thinking about? Oh. So I'm getting two women here. One is a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The other one is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So is it that you are thinking about the person, but me hear somebody's sister is a Sagittarius, or a Leo, or a Aries. The other sister is either Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Me getting the fire sign. I think about you, but you are thinking about the sister. You thinking about the earth sign, or some shit like that. What do you feel? You want to call somebody, you want to get in contact with your sister. You want to call, you want to talk to your sister, you want to talk to this woman about something. What do they feel? Them don't know why you want to call them. Them don't know what you want to talk to them about. So I'm getting they are confused as to what the fuck you want to talk about. I'm getting you want to talk though. Maybe you try to confuse them about something. Because I'm getting you want somebody go up on the phone so you can confuse them, or you just have up them time for say if them talking to somebody. I don't know. I'm getting you try to confuse somebody. What is your sexual feelings? This look like two girls though. What is your sexual feelings? Is a Knight of Swords. Me getting you're trying to move fast. You're trying to sleep with somebody very quickly. This is what I'm seeing. You call somebody if you make them know you need to come towards them quickly. But if this is clarifying your sexual feelings, me getting something about you need to have sex with somebody fast. Or somebody need to get in a bed very fast. Maybe somebody else is coming your way. When getting somebody want you go a man, so by the time the man come, they will be like, oh, you had sex yesterday? Oh, never mind. What is their sexual feelings? The Five of Pentacles. Someone ain't even having sex. I don't know what this is. I hear Sukiana say, you girls be fucking and you broke. Sukiana, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disappoint you that way. I'll do better. I'll charge money for fucking next time, Sukiana. Sukiana teached us never to be a musician. Be a magician instead. Okay? Anyways, yeah, Five of Pentacles. So we actually, I don't know. Okay, so the queen is here. She is confused as to why the fuck she homeless. Maybe she confused as to why the fuck she don't have enough pentacles. The Queen of Wands wants to hurry up and tell the Queen of Pentacles as to why the fuck she don't have any pentacles or to why the fuck she homeless. But me getting she want to tell you a story. Maybe she responsible for this, but she want to tell you something in your head so you don't believe what you hear. Cause somebody will move fast for talk to you. Because me getting something will come out as to why you like this. Me getting something about this Aries, Leo, Sagittarius woman or your sister or something about sibling rivalry. Okay? Now, this is supposed to be an Aphrodite spread, so I don't know which man like you but love your sister. So I don't know which envy happen, because I don't see two sisters fucking each other. That's not what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing the fire sign hurry up to talk to the earth sign before the earth sign find out why the earth sign is in Five of Pentacles. I'm guessing it's because of the fire sign did it to her. Because it's two girls we have here. This is nothing about love. Maybe somebody like your man. Maybe your sister man like you, or your man like your sister. I'm guessing you're over something like that. Where is this going? So I don't know if this relationship can be repaired, or again, this might be friends. The Four of so I'm getting you have to give it time. Nobody no want to talk to. I'm getting the fire sign really want to talk to you. I'm getting you are in resting, but I'm also getting it's just stagnant. Because I'm getting somebody don't want to talk to you until they tell them the truth. But I'm getting you want to call them and fool them up a bare fuckery about them situation again. You know, there ain't no fucking time for no liars. Bitch, if you want to take those lies from your motherfucking man because you're so desperate for somebody to see you with a man, that is one thing. The Queen of Pentacles don't have to fucking take any blood clot lies. She's Venus. You're the sun. This is different. I'm going to leave it here, Gemini. Oh, maybe that is what's happening with CRE. I'm getting something about two girls. Two of them are mostly sisters, or them I say they're related to each other. Me getting one get access to one CRE. Or some shit like that, like the sister they on your bank account, them give your sister the money, then fly your sister go foreign country, go give her the money and make she fly back. So by the time this sister come, me getting something, you and your blood clot sister in a problem. Or me don't know what kind of problem my sister put it in. I'm going to leave it here until next time. No. Can't leave it here. I have to draw these. Evil. I don't know what the fuck your sister got you in. We have larceny. She thief from you. Thus the CRA. I've sold my soul. One night stand. So I'm getting you fuck your sister man. Or your sister man want fuck you. Or somebody going to be like, oh, you know I fucked your ex-boyfriend. No problem. I'll be fucking your future one. Tit for tat, sweetie. This is nothing personal. It's just you have to do unto others like how you want others to do unto you. You understand? Nothing against you. Nothing against you. I hope to see you at the family your reunions and everything. And we can discuss how you fuck my man behind my back and I fucked yours in front of your face. No, I'm joking. It's over. Yeah, it's over. It's completely gone. Genius IQ. Yeah. I'm getting only one sister was smarter than the other. Unfortunately, we'll leave it here. Until next time. Goodbye.